Hello, this is Susan with Cestari. I'd like to talk to you about preparing Christmas foods at the very start of the season. While many Christmas foods can be prepared in advance of the holiday season and frozen or stored to reduce stress, there are some foods that should be prepared early so that the flavors have time to fully develop. Fruitcake is a classic Christmas treat. They can be made well in advance and actually benefit from aging. Soak the fruitcakes in rum or brandy for extra flavor. Plum pudding. Traditional British Christmas puddings are rich and indulgent. They are best when made a few weeks ahead and allowed to mature. Mincemeat for pies and tarts should be prepared 2 to 4 weeks ahead of time and refrigerated. The flavors meld beautifully over time. Infused liquors can be made easily at home. Cestari's pitcher is a great tool to do this. You can create unique and flavored liquors and spirits such as homemade spiced rum or orange-infused brandy or cherry vodka. Allow them to infuse over several weeks for best flavor. Pickled vegetables also are best after a few weeks of pickling. I love to do pickled beets, carrots, and onions for the holiday relish plate. Homemade extracts also get better over time. Consider making your own vanilla or peppermint extract by steeping high-quality ingredients in vodka. These extracts will elevate your holiday recipes, so you want to have them done ahead of time so you can use them. Pfeffernusse cookies are little spice cookies that are actually best after 3 to 4 weeks to give the flavors time to develop, so they are always the first Christmas cookie that I bake. So consider starting a few of these foods right after Thanksgiving so they'll be at their peak over the Christmas holidays.